Part of the enduring fascination of watercolour is the challenge it presents to artists at all skill levels. If you're a newcomer to watercolour, the choice of materials may be overwhelming. New Georgian Aquafine is a good quality range that offers tremendous value for money for beginners, leisure painters and students. All Georgian Aquafine colours, brushes and surfaces are designed to work together, and the distinctive blue packaging is easy to recognise. The same care and attention goes into the manufacture of Georgian Aquafine watercolour, but to keep one low price across all colours, some of the more expensive pigments used in artist watercolour are replaced with high-performance alternatives. Whether you're a beginner just starting out with your first set of Georgian Aquafine, or a more experienced painter who has moved on to artist watercolour, you can be confident that the Daler-Rowney colours, brushes and surfaces you're using are designed to offer the very best performance every step of the way.